Now we discuss about the MTech software and subject Android application development. So previous class we discussed how to build the user interfaces up to as introducing layouts are started. Different layouts and defining the layouts is completed. Now we discuss about the using layouts to create device independent user interfaces. Device independent user interfaces. Here the variety of Android devices is a critical part of the success for the Android developers. The diversity to introduce the challenge for designing the user interface to ensure that they provide the user interface provide the best possible experience for the users regardless of which Android device they own. Now how to use the linear layout we discuss. The linear layout is the one of the simplest layout class. It allows you to create the simple user interface or user interface elements that align a sequence of child views in either vertical or horizontal line. Linear layout aligns the sequence of child views in the vertical or horizontal lines. The simplicity of the linear layout makes it easy to use but limits to the flexibility. In much of the cases you will use the linear layout to construct user interface elements that will nested within the other layouts such as the relative layout. Here linear layout is used for the constructing user interfaces, and it is also will be nested with the other layouts like relative layout. Linear layout nested with the relative layout also. Here the program we see the two nested layouts. Horizontal layout with equally sized buttons. Vertical layout placed with the buttons above the list view. Here we take an example of linear layout. Here XML linear layout. Here we assign the width and height. Android orientation is vertical. Here open tag linear layout. Android layout here fill parent, width equal fill parent, height equal to height is wrap content, orientation is horizontal, and here we take a button, text is string cancel button, and width and height we take, and then weight equal to 1, and next we take a text, Android text, OK button text, and we take a layout, then close the linear layout. And then list view, open a list view and close the linear layout. Here two linear layouts we can use. A linear layout nested in the linear layout. First linear layout is vertical layout. Second, in the nested one is the horizontal orientation. Vertical layout places the buttons in the list view. Horizontal layout places the two equally sized buttons. Here in the horizontal layout we take the buttons cancel button and the OK button. The horizontal layout. Cancel and OK in horizontally, and in the vertical layout we can take the buttons match parent, list, take the list here, list view, and then relative layout we can take. Relative layout provides the great deal of flexibility for the layouts, allowing you to define the position of the each element within the layout terms. Relative layout provides the great deal of flexibility to the layouts. Here define the position of each element within the layout in terms of parent and other views. Here we take a relative layout. Take the class linear layout. Take the button and linear layout list view. Take the list view and relative layout. Here linear layout is nested in the relative layout. Next one is grid layout.